Air France 498, I'm in instructions now. After Manolo, turn left heading 210. Your sequence is number 2. Air France 498, Alta heading 230.
230.
Correct. Your preceding traffic is 28 miles northwest, Airbus 319er. Air France 498, descend to 2,600 feet.
Say again for Air France 498.
Descend to 2,600 feet.
Descend to 2,600 feet, Air France 498.
American 2478, clear to land, wind is 10011.
Clear to land, runway 10, American 2478.
We're at 644, join right on me.
Air France 498, 2 miles southeast, Vienna VOR, turn right on navigation direct Umana. Clear to RNAV approach, runway 10.
Say again for Air France 498.
France 498, 2 miles southeast, Vienna VOR, turn right on navigation direct Umana. Clear to RNAV approach, runway 10.
Right turn towards Umana, clear RNAV approach, runway 10, Air France 498. Mayday, Air France 498.
Air France 498, Mayday, confirm and same information.
Air France 498, we have very strong odors and smell in the cabin. We request to proceed for RNAV 10.
Air France 498, do an approach, Roger. And the preceding traffic, we're going to turn him and confirm runway in sight at your 3 o'clock at 2 miles.
Affirm Air France 498 with the runway in sight.
Air France 498, take visual approach, runway 10, contact Toro 118.7, so long.
Approach runway 10, Tower 187, Air France 498.
American 2478, Jelano.
2478, go ahead.
Okay, stop descent and fly ahead of our correction 360.
Turning left to 360, American 2478.
Hey, we got a Airbus 330, he's on downwind and he just called emergency.
Okay, we're turning left to 360. What altitude would you like?
Continue climb at 4,000.
Okay, we're climbing to 4,000, 360 on the heading, American 2478.
Air France 498, contact Adriana Tower 118.7, so long.
Air France 498, Jana.
Just about to call you, Air France 498, turning base runway 10.
Air France 498, clear to land, wind is 0013.
Brilliant, Air France 498.
American 2478, you can contact approach on 12895.
12895, American 2478. Approach American 2478, back with you. We're at a 2.5, climbing to 4,000 on 360 heading.
Air France, there's an American 2478, do an approach radar contact. Turn left heading 270, and for your sequence, the reasons for your land is traffic. Airbus 330 declared an emergency, so proceed west.
Okay, we'll head 270, American 2478.
Air France 498, how much souls on board and fuel?
Stand by, Air France 498.
644 orbiter beam point blank.
644. Air France 498, we have 7 tons on fuel. I will give you the number of passengers on the ground.
Oh, Roger, not a problem. Wind check is 0011.
Air France 498.
Tower United 1677, ready for push and start.
United 1677, pushback startup approved.
Alright, push and start approved, United 1677.
Orbit complete 644.
Continue to orbit wind at 644.
Continue to orbit 644.
Air France 498, 180 back taxi, vacate at Charlie.
We make a 182, vacate at Charlie, I call you back France 498.
Roger. Wind at 644, continue to orbit at Airbus 330, just landed, has an emergency. 644, continue to orbit, Airbus 330 just landed, has an emergency.
Copy, orbiting 644.
And the JetBlue 788, Jalan.
Yeah, 788, go ahead.
You ready for taxi, sir?
No, we got an issue right now.
Roger.
Are we in your way?
Affirm, sir.
You got somewhere you want to put us?
Okay, you can taxi up to taxiway Bravo.
Alright, taxi up to Bravo, JetBlue 788.
Tower American 2478 back with you outside of Osaka.
American 2478, continue as slow as possible.
Let's slow it up, American 247.
From Air France 498.
Go ahead, sir.
Yes, apparently the situation is getting back normal in the cabin, so we can proceed normally to the gate, to the position, the parking position.
Roger, sir. You're going to gate Alpha 3.
Gate Alpha 3, Air France 498.